Hi there, Teresa Ward, and today we will demonstrate on how to clean plexiglass with an orange oil in a few simple steps. Plexiglass is a tough plastic, but it can be scratched, so when cleaning, you must take care not to use harsh chemicals or an abrasive. Here's what you will need: a non-aerosol spray bottle, 2 cups of hot water, borax soap, baking soda, and an orange essential oil, and a microfiber cloth. What you do is you pour the hot water into a spray bottle, then add a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of borax soap, 5 drops of the orange oil. Close the top and shake it up. Next, you will lightly spray onto your plexiglass. With your microfiber cloth, wipe it clean. If there are any spots on the glass, give it an extra spray and wipe it away in a circular motion. Thanks for hanging out with Long Island's home cleaning experts, Teresa's Family Cleaning. We hope these tips help to keep your home clean. And remember, our reputation is spotless.